Hello. This week is all about writing your abstract. And the abstract, even though it sits at the beginning of your paper, is actually the very last thing you should be creating because you're going to have to summarize everything in order to write a good abstract. And you can't summarize everything until you've done everything. So here you go. Okay, so there is a really good it's not an article, but it is a instruction piece on how to write an abstract that I found very valuable. So hopefully this will be valuable to you as well. And I have love to see examples when I start working on things. So I've actually included an example of an abstract that I co-authored with two other authors for a research project that we published. You might be interested in seeing how that was put together. Always helps to see what other people have done. And then as you're thinking about writing your draft abstract, first of all, make sure that it's in APA format, and feel free to go back to the NSU Writing Center page where it will show you exactly how to set that up. And as you're writing, you include the purpose, the methodology, the findings, the significance of your study. You introduce the research problem, and then you finish up with some limitations and implications. All that being said, it has to be done in 200 to 300 words. You cannot go over 300 words for an abstract. Absolutely can't do it. When you write it, this is the only part of your thesis that's going to be single spaced and written in that square form that you see at the top of research articles. If you have any question about doing this, please let me know. Always happy to set up a Zoom. And you know what? While I'm thinking about it, it's also helpful. You have all these articles that you read as part of your literature review. Go back to some of those articles and read the abstracts at the top of the page. You can learn so much about putting your own abstract together. Okay, have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.